Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Bibble on Dress to Impress. So this is the custom makeup that I'm wearing. You can style it however you want. I'm just going to select this hair and I'm going to color it this pink. Then we're going to go to this area and we're going to just use a quick sleeve top. Just going to then select the cupcake. Color the cupcake the color of your bibble, and the rest you're going to color it pink for these spots. Then obviously this one we're going to color it the same color as bibble. I think I'm just going to do turtleneck for that. If this bothers you like it's bothering me, I think I'm just going to add on some pants here, do type 3 and color it the same. Then for the wings, you do need VIP. Actually, you can use the one from outside, but you can also use the one from VIP, and I'm going to color it this light pink color. And I'm just going to toggle it to animated. And that's how you can create Bibble on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.